Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can delete a file using Go language if we give some pattern to delete. For example, we have this folder file. Under this I have file create JSON, JSON create, JSON read, read JSON, student DB. So if I pass a word JSON, JSON is available in these four files. So these all four files should delete. If there is DB, if I pass DB, then only DB file delete student.db. So I just copy once more and I change it name to DB student, or is say DB information, like this. So if I pass DB, then this and this both delete. If I pass student, then only this file should delete. So I want to show you that how I can delete the selective file. That name I should give. The one prefix means I can pass any text that present in this text file. If for example, once again I copy and I say that my info, this file. So if I say my, so it will search here. If I create one more file here and I say for example info my file, so my is available in starting and my is available in the middle. If I pass my, then it will search automatically that my is available in this file and only those files should delete. That's I want to make a program in Go language. So here just start here. So I say to open first of all the directory. So I say here files and error equal to ioutil dot and that read directory, read the ir, and here I pass the files as a folder directory. I save it. So if this is available, and then I say here that if error equal to null, then we say fmt error, save it. Now I need to display these file. So I say for file equal to range files, like this, and I just display the file information here. So I save it and try to run it. Go run delete file, and we say undefined file. Okay, because I have not created this, so I have to create it also. Save it, and once again I try to run. Error type, oh sorry, I have to pass only error, not error. Okay, again once I have to run. You see the file name I should write, it's returning a data. So I say file dot name of the file that I want to display here. So once again I run it. You see the file is available. All files are displaying one by one. Okay, but my goal is not to display file, we have to delete the file with a name. Here I say match equal to reg expression dot, we say dot string match string, and here I pass the name that I want to delete. I can take this from keyboard also, but here I am just passing like JSON, and then I say file dot name. So one by one I will check this, and if it is true, we have to write here P also, regular expression, and then bool and error. So I have to do this. If match, if it is true, then I display only file name like this. Otherwise I say else fmt dot println file not found. Save it and try to execute once again, and you see it all file have a JSON. This also have a JSON, this also have a JSON, this also have a JSON. So all file is coming. If I say it is my and save it and try to execute it once again, and you see only one my is coming and other are not coming, not found. So I do not want to repeat this line, so I delete it, and I say after once again I try to run it, and you see only two files are here. Okay, I say if not null, if there is an error, then we have to show this. Once again try to run it, and you see only two files are there with the my keyword. So successfully we are matching a file name, but now I have to delete. So here for deleting this, first of all I need to find the absolute path. So I say file path, and I say error and equal to file path dot abs, and here I need to pass the file name. So I say under the files we have a file dot name that I need to found. Now file path is there, error is there, then I say error handling. If error is not null, do this, and I want to delete the file. So I say error equal to os.Remove, and here I pass file path. So here I pass the file path because I want to remove this, and if error not equal to null, then I say this error we have to display, and else if file is deleted, then I need to display that file deleted. This file will display this file is deleted. Try to execute it once again, and you say inform my file.json and inform this file is deleted. So I have to check it in a folder. You see this file is not available. Now I pass db, then student will remove. So I pass here, now in place of this I pass here db. So I want to delete only db file. db is there, and remember that I need to copy this file once again, copy paste, and these are two files with the db name. So now I run it once again, and I did not save, so I have to save it first, then I run, and you see these two files is deleted, and if you see the folder, two file gone. If all file I want to delete, so I have to pass here JSON only, save it and try to run it, and you see all file are deleted, and we just delete the file. Now what you can do it more modification. You can take this string, the file which you want to delete by keyboard, that you know already how to take keyboard. If you don't know, then see my previous video. I have explained how you can use to take data from the keyboard in Go language. Then take that data and then pass here this information, and on the runtime you can pass the data which file you want to delete, and then you will delete the file which you want to delete on the basis of regular expression. So I think you learned something from this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.